Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this motivational speech on Transform Your Body in 30 Days. A step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to explore the possibilities of what you can achieve when you commit to a fitness transformation. Let me ask you something, how many times have you said to yourself, "I'll start my fitness journey tomorrow," or "I'm too busy to work out"? It's easy to make excuses and put off taking care of ourselves, but the truth is, neglecting our health only leads to more problems down the road. I know this firsthand because I used to be in your shoes. I struggled with my weight for years, and it wasn't until I committed to transforming my body that I truly understood the power of taking care of yourself. I'm here to share my story and inspire you to take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. Ladies and gentlemen, now that we've established the importance of transforming your body, let's dive a little deeper into why it's so crucial. A healthy and fit body is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. It's about having the energy and strength to live the life you want to live. Research has shown that regular exercise can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Exercise has also been proven to be an effective tool in managing mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. By taking care of your physical health, you're also taking care of your mental health. Don't just take my word for it, let the numbers speak for themselves. Studies have shown that regular exercise can increase your lifespan by up to 7 years, improve your sleep quality, and even boost your cognitive function. So, if you want to live a long and healthy life, it's time to prioritize your fitness journey. Remember, your body is your temple, and it's up to you to take care of it. Now that we understand the importance of transforming our bodies, let's discuss the 30-Day Challenge. The 30-Day Challenge is a structured workout plan designed to help you transform your body in just 1 month. It's a powerful tool that can jumpstart your fitness journey and help you build momentum towards achieving your fitness goals. The benefits of a 30-day challenge are many. First, it provides a clear and defined goal that you can work towards. Having a specific goal can help you stay motivated and focused, and the short time frame of just 30 days can make it feel more achievable. The workout plan itself is carefully designed to challenge your body and push you outside of your comfort zone. It includes a combination of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises to help you build muscle, burn fat, and increase your overall fitness level. To help you stay motivated, it's important to remember that you're not alone in this challenge. There are countless examples of successful transformations from people who have completed the 30-day challenge. These transformations have not only had a positive impact on their physical health but also on their mental and emotional well-being. So, let's take on this challenge together and see what kind of transformation we can achieve in just 30 days. Are you ready to commit to a healthier, fitter, and happier you? Let's do this. As we embark on our fitness journey, it's important to understand that we will face obstacles along the way. Common challenges include a lack of motivation, difficulty finding time to exercise, and feeling discouraged when progress seems slow. To overcome these obstacles, it's important to have strategies in place. One effective strategy is to find a workout partner or accountability buddy to help keep you motivated and on track. Another strategy is to set achievable goals and celebrate each small win. It's also important to maintain a positive mindset and self-talk. Remember that progress takes time, and every small step forward is a step in the right direction. It's okay to have setbacks and slip-ups, but the important thing is to keep moving forward and not give up. Finally, it's important to remember that fitness is not just about physical strength, but also mental and emotional strength. Taking care of your mental health through meditation, mindfulness, or therapy can also help you stay committed to your fitness goals. So, let's stay motivated, stay committed, and believe in ourselves. With the right mindset and strategies in place, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve the transformation we desire. When it comes to achieving our fitness goals, having a support system can make all the difference. Research shows that people who have a support system are more likely to stick to their exercise routines and achieve their goals. One way to find support and accountability is to join a fitness group or class. This not only provides a community of like-minded individuals who can offer encouragement and motivation, but also the guidance of a fitness professional who can help tailor a workout plan to your specific needs. Another option is to hire a personal trainer, who can provide personalized attention and support throughout your fitness journey. They can help you set achievable goals, create a workout plan, and provide ongoing support and motivation. Finally, it's important to remember that support can come from anywhere, including friends, family, and online communities. By sharing our journey with others and offering support and encouragement to those around us, we can create a positive environment that helps us all achieve our fitness goals. So, let's take advantage of the power of community and support in our fitness journey. Together, we can achieve the transformation we desire and support each other along the way. Celebrating success is an important part of any fitness journey. It can help us stay motivated, reinforce good habits, and remind us of how far we've come. It's important to remember that progress doesn't always happen overnight, but by acknowledging and celebrating the small victories, we can keep ourselves motivated and on track. One way to celebrate success is by setting achievable goals and celebrating when they're achieved. This can be as simple as rewarding yourself with a healthy treat or buying new workout clothes. Celebrating in a way that reinforces healthy habits and doesn't derail progress is important. Another way to celebrate progress is by tracking it over time. This can be done through photos, measurements, or keeping a fitness journal. By seeing how far you've come, you can reinforce the positive changes you've made and keep yourself motivated to continue. Finally, it's important to remember that progress is not always linear, and setbacks can happen. When setbacks occur, it's important to reframe them as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than failures. By doing so, we can stay motivated and continue to make progress toward our goals. So let's celebrate the small victories and progress we make on our fitness journey, and use them as motivation to continue pushing ourselves towards our goals. In conclusion, transforming your body in 30 days is a challenging but rewarding experience that can have a positive impact on your physical and mental health. We've discussed the benefits of fitness, the 30-day challenge, overcoming obstacles, the power of community and support, and celebrating success. I encourage each of you to take on the 30-day challenge and make a commitment to your health and well-being. Remember that success is not always linear, and setbacks can happen, but with a positive mindset, dedication, and support, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals.